Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a sad cloud. Oh, this poor little sad cloud. To begin, we're going to make a C, a nice big C, and then make a U connecting that C, and another U, a backwards C, an N, and one more N connecting our cloud. There we go. Now we have our cloud. Let's make the sad face. We'll make a U and another U for the eyes, and an N for the sad mouth. Next, we're going to make raindrops. To make a raindrop, you're going to go down, loop it around, and then back up. Down, loop it around, back up. Down, loop around, back up. Okay, keep on. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to go so I can put a lightning bolt in between. And there we go. Here's some more raindrops. Down, around, loop, down, around, loop, down, around, loop. To make our lightning bolt, you're going to make a diagonal line going down and another line going diagonally parallel to that. See, I'm giving enough space, doing the same thing. Looks like it has two little legs right now. Okay, and let's bring it down, and I'm going to make a long line to connect that lightning bolt. There you have it. We have our sad cloud. You can use color pencils, markers, crayons, whatever you like to color in your sad cloud. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.